Fernando, tell me. Have you come to join my Decepticon army? You know the Decepticon army. It is the army I'm in charge of. Fernando, our mission statement is simple. We're going to conquer the Earth. Do you want to conquer the Earth with me, Fernando? I know humans do live in the Earth, and they're awful. How would you like to be the only human here, Fernando? Beat me, you, and the rest of the Decepticons. You would be the best human ever. What do you think, Fernando? I know it's a big decision, Fernando. How about this? We can keep a few humans alive. We'll keep your family and your friends alive. How does that sound good? Excellent! Fernando, we're going to destroy this planet, eliminate all humans except for everyone you care about. You are strong indeed, Fernando. You have a fierce spark in you. I can tell that you will be great. Now, Fernando, it is time for you to become a commander. Turn around, raise your fist up high. Everyone cheer for my commander, Fernando! And Fernando, I must tell you, you have a strong voice. That will aid you well. Always be loud. Excellent. Good work, Commander Fernando. You will make a fine Decepticon. Farewell, brother, and good luck. Do not ever stop fighting. I believe in you. Farewell, Commander Fernando. Take care, brother. Thank you. It's a nice thing to say. Good luck. Because your face is disgusting. You asked, it couldn't have been that bad. All I had to do was put the shades on. I got shot in the face by Optimus Prime. That's my excuse. You know I'm insecure about that. Wear your sunglasses on your skull all day. I don't care. Now, you two didn't wait. Who waited in line? You? Then you get your picture first. Tell the rest of them to get out. I'm serious. The rest of you did not wait. She gets her picture first. Get out. Get out. Out. You stay here, girl. Mom, get out. Did you not hear anything I just said? Ugh, moms are the worst. See, girl, I've warned you. Remember how I treated you and how they used you. I would never do that. As a Raider fan, a dying breed. See you in Vegas. Since you got kicked out of Oakland. What is this? A train! Great. Does it transform into anything? Thank you for showing me your train. I've never seen someone so happy about a train.